Hey, it's Sally with Sally's Solutions, and my next solution from the Wellness Company is the Mela Power. This is the laundry detergent. It's a super concentrated laundry detergent, and it easily lifts stains and smells amazing. This scent is garden lavender. It uses safer ingredients, so there's no chlorine bleach. It reduces plastic waste and is more affordable per wash. Just one pump or 10 milliliters, that's 2 teaspoons, is all you need to clean a full batch of laundry. And one small 32-ounce bottle is enough to wash 96 loads. So this will do 96 loads. Member pricing is $19.49, non-member $28. So you definitely want to become a member. You do put in a backup order. So like as a member, you want to go in and order a minimum of one time a month. And then if you haven't, they will send you a backup order. But you create your backup order. So you know that if you don't make an order, it's April now. If I don't make an order in April, the backup order that I chose when I first became a member would be what's sent to me this month. All right, that is the Mela Power.